Your DJI Osmo Pocket might work fine, but if the battery handle doesn't charge, it can stop you from using it for long shoots. This usually happens because of dirty contacts, faulty cables, or battery issues. Many users get frustrated not knowing the simple fix. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the battery handle not charging on your DJI Osmo Pocket. Let's fix it right now. Solution 1. Clean the USB-C port. Dust, lint, or debris can obstruct the connection, so use a soft brush or compressed air to gently clean the port, and make sure the port is not bent or damaged. If this charger still won't work, then try alternative cable. Solution 2. Force restart. Press and hold the power button or record button for 5 to 10 seconds. Release and then try turning on normally. If it powers on, check battery level. If it's low, then plug the charger fast. If still you are facing the same issue, then follow solution 3. Firmware update. First, make sure to connect internet on your phone. Then open up the DJI Mimo app on your phone. Then connect the Pocket 3 to the app. If the app detects the camera, if any updates are available, an update will appear on the top of the homepage of the app on your phone. Then install the latest firmware update. Sometimes a firmware mismatch can prevent startup, and updating usually fixes the problem. And that's all for today. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.